Hello friends, now I am going to discuss tobacco crop. In India, in present day, as the change in the policy of the government, they are not supporting production of the tobacco as like cigarettes, bidi, gutka, whatever we want to say. But in the term of the tobacco crop, it is most productive cash crop. Understand this thing. It is a monsoon season crop, so it is called kharif crop. Generally, which soil you can understand can be asked for the tobacco? Sandy and loamy soil. The temperature required is 20 degree and rainfall required is 100 centimeters. So you can understand very well that the favorable conditions are for tobacco cultivation: sandy and loamy soil, 20 degree temperature, 100 centimeter rainfall, and monsoon season. So it is called kharif crop. Generally, soil is the important factor. Then climate, means most important factor for the production of the tobacco is soil. If the soil is proper, then the tobacco crop production is easy and better. In world, total 4 main tobacco production and export doing countries: China, Brazil, India is on the third rank, and fourth is the USA. So if anybody asks you which is India's ranks in tobacco production doing countries in all over the world, then it is the third rank. Remember, in India, Gujarat is most important state and its Charotar region is important region for tobacco production. So Charotar is called region of golden leaf. Where is the Charotar region located? In the Kheda district. In India, other states are Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Karnataka. So total 4 main states are here: Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Karnataka. But in all, Gujarat is most important state. In India's total tobacco BD based production, out of total production, 80% production is done in Gujarat. So you can understand the importance of Gujarat, right? In Gujarat, the other states except Kheda are Anand, Mehsana, Vadodara, and Panchmahal are most tobacco growing districts. Sikkim, in India, Sikkim is the state who have declared their state on ban on tobacco and gutka. Means in Sikkim, use of tobacco is totally banned. But cigarettes are profit making activity, so it is somehow difficult to ban. But most of the region have tried to reduce its importance. So the cost of the cigarettes are increasing now. Understand? Due to that, the people started to reduce the proportion of tobacco, use of tobacco, consumption of tobacco. Okay. Next one is rubber. Rubber is another cash crop. Generally, rubber is prepared from white liquid which is called milk of latex trees. White liquid from the latex trees, it is called milk of the latex trees, is used for making rubber. With the white liquid or the milk of the latex trees, acetic acid is mixed and heated on low temperature to make the rubber, and it is prepared now. It is used in industrial products as like tires and tubes. Usually rubber is used with the pencil for you all students, right? But mainly rubber is used in industrial products. Okay. Now I am talking about its favorable conditions: hot and humid climate, heavy rainfall. These 2 points are given here in your book for favorable conditions. Generally, we can understand it is found not in plain region. Where are the plain regions? Rubber cannot produce, but it can produce in mountain and hilly region. So Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam and Tripura. Assam and Tripura in eastern side, but Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu in the southern part, near Western Ghat mountain range, Eastern Ghat mountain range, it could be produced. Okay. Here I discussed about rubber as the important cash crops. Now I have condiments and spices as like cumin seed, fennel seed, isabgol, dried coriander, fenugreek, mustard, suva, ajwain. These all are considered as spices and condiments. Without that, ashwagandha, tulsi, kariyatu, mindiyaval, clove, cinnamon. These are other condiment crops. Madhunashini, which is used for reduce the diabetes. Ashok, garmal, lindi pepper, galo, and aloe vera. These all are considered as medicinal plants, except that mint, menthol, palmarosa, and lemongrass are considered as flavored crops. So in India, you understand very well that so many crops are considered in condiments, and mainly our total production of condiment in world is 35%. So it means more than one third proportion of condiments is produced in India. That is important thing, you understand. Okay, now be carefully. Just prepare this answer for finding out which is included in medicinal plants, which is included in flavored crops, which is included in condiments and spices. These points could be asked from this topic, right? So just important points you have to remember, nothing more. Now the last point in cash crops are fruits, flowers and vegetables. These are last point. So remember, in this portion we will prepare only name of the fruits with its state, nothing else. No favorable conditions I will discuss. Okay. India is the second in the fruit production after China. Remember, the fruits like banana, mango, apple, grapes, naspati and orange are grown up more in India. Out of all this, bananas are grown up in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra. You have to prepare the match the pair from this topic. Apples are produced in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Grapes are produced in Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Usually in India, grape production is required more. Means production is less but demand is more. So we need to do import grapes from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Australia. So many other fruits are now being produced here, as like the kiwi fruit. Originally it is not a fruit of India, as like the dates. It was not a fruit of India, but now it is also produced here. Okay. Thereafter, vegetables, we want to say there are so many seasons, so many vegetables and all kind of the vegetables are produced here, right? So many vegetables, no names are given here, but just only one line is given that various vegetables are grown up in India. And flowers are, not to say that which flower, rose, jui, mogro, galgota, these are major cultivated flowers, but it does not mean that other flowers are not grown up here. Okay my friends, so here I try to discuss today about cash crops. Okay.